from the Box Family Homestead. I went out here to feed all of our meat birds, and I decided to let them out of their little mobile coop for a little bit, and they are loving it to free range. So I thought I'd shoot a little video and show you guys how much they're having fun. And there's the best chicken dog ever. His name is Glacier. He's about 5.5 years old. He's part Black Lab, Hound Dog, and Springer Spaniel. And he loves his chickens. Doesn't matter if they're meat birds or laying birds. He even likes the turkeys. He was just checking on one behind the bush here. Hi guys. These chicks have a few more weeks of living here. We will be moving them to a place called our freezer. Might be a little chilly for them, but that's okay. We welcome them there. And in a couple more weeks, actually probably next week, we're getting a whole nother batch of 30. We're gonna do Cornish roasters, I think, and then the red something broilers. I don't remember what they're called. But we're getting 30 more birds, and those are free range. And I think I might let these free range if the hens let them. Red Ranger broilers, that's what they're called. Anyway, so here's our quick little video to show you that the chicks that we've had cooped up in their mobile coop are enjoying their little free ranging time. We'll talk to you guys later.